So you're thinking about moving to Waynesboro, Virginia, and maybe you are looking to live in one of the most desirable neighborhoods of all of Waynesboro. Well, as you can see today, we are in the Anna Marie Estates neighborhood. So we're going to show you a few homes in here to give you an idea about what this neighborhood is all about. So hang around so you don't miss a minute of this video. But before we do all that, let's go ahead and get started right now. Hi, my name's Stephen, along with my wife Leslie. As local real estate agents here in Virginia's beautiful mountains and valleys, we help folks buy and sell homes all the time. We're so honored for the folks that have contacted, to have worked with the folks that have contacted us. It's been a pleasure to help. But maybe that's you. Maybe you're looking to buy a home or sell a home. We'd love to help you as well. Our information's all in the description down below. So give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, and we can help you as well. Now, additionally, if you like our channel, if you like going into neighborhoods here in Virginia's beautiful mountains and valleys, and you like going and doing a lot of fun things here in the mountains and valleys as well, click that subscribe button, touch that bell icon so you don't miss a minute of Virginia mountain to valley living. Now, obviously, as we said, we are today in Anna Marie Estates. And a little bit about Anna Marie Estates before we go in and show you three homes here. First of all, Anna Marie Estates is currently being built, has been being built ever since 2005 by the Boutros & Company builders. Now, in this neighborhood has multiple homes, many homes. Most every home has a mountain view. There's also 200 acres of land that this neighborhood sits on, so it's a large neighborhood. But they've incorporated into that 7 acres of green space as well. There's several ponds as well. There's nice walking trails that go all throughout the neighborhood. So like I said, the building date started in 2005 and they continue today. Now, if you're looking at values of homes in this neighborhood, on average, there's a few more, probably a few less. But most homes that are single family homes in this neighborhood have values between $550,000 and $700,000. Additionally, there are villa style homes here as well. Some are attached and some are detached. And those have values from about $375,000 to $500,000. Most of the homes in this neighborhood have between 3 and 5 bedrooms and between 1,500 and 4,000 square feet of finished living space. And most sit on lot sizes. Some of the villa style homes attached, about 0.12 of an acre, all the way up to half an acre, with a few having more. Now, for most of the homes here, there's about a $300 a year association fee as well. Now, as you can see, now that I'm done talking at this part of the video, all the traffic has stopped. And so let's go ahead, let's get into the neighborhood and take a look at our first home. All right, so the first home I want to show you here in the Anna Marie neighborhood is coming right up here on my left-hand side, and man, this is a beauty. This home is currently listed on the market for $639,000. It was built in 2006. It has 5 bedrooms, 2 full baths and 1 half bath. It has 3,056 square feet of finished living space. And if you break that down, that price is $311 a square foot, and it sits on a 0.54 acre lot. Now, like I say, so here, through the shedding tree, the falling leaves, a beautiful time of year here in the fall. But now that price per square foot seems a little bit high. It's because I didn't mention to you that there's an additional 2,088 square feet of unfinished space down there. So you're gonna almost double your home size, which you take that into consideration, and wow, you've got a beauty here. Now, a little bit about the home. I could express it in probably 2 words: custom build. And when you enter the home, you are going to immediately see special features that just make this home very unique. Its spacious design with its high and vaulted ceilings and catwalk to the second level are amazing. There's wonderful architectural features. The family room's huge, and its vaulted ceiling is very nice, and it just really enhances that large open feel. It's a fantastic large eating kitchen with granite counters and plenty of cabinets for storage as well. But there's also, of course, a dining room with many windows in there that just lets so much light in. It will be a great place to enjoy a meal. Now, the primary suite is wonderful and has French doors that open onto the deck as well. And in addition to the deck on the rear of the home, there's also a patio below with its own hot tub and a lot more private patio space in the totally fenced-in backyard. So, like I say, that home is a really large home here in Anna Marie and a very, very nice home. Now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn around here. Just make sure I don't get hit by the car coming down the street. But I'm going to show you another house here on the right-hand side. And this home is also currently active And on the market, we're just going to get 2 for 1 here today. And this beautiful home is currently active on the market. It's listed for $479,900. It was built in 2006. It has 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and 1 half bath. Has 2,268 square feet of finished living space. You break it down, it's $212 a square foot, and it sits on a 0.34 acre lot. Now this home is a great find here in the Anna Marie neighborhood at price under $500,000. Matter of fact, if you go into the home, you're going to see 9 feet ceilings in the foyer, and in front of that there's a really nice staircase that leads up to the 2nd floor as well. But downstairs you're going to find both a comfy living room and a family room, with each having wonderful hardwood floors which run throughout most of the home. Additionally, the family room has a nice gas log fireplace or place around which families are going to enjoy gathering. There's natural light that's abundant in the home, and the home also features a very nice dining room with its tray ceilings as well as space for an eat-in kitchen. The kitchen itself has all stainless appliances and features coarse countertops as well. And then upstairs is where you're going to find the bedrooms, including the master bedroom suite that includes a huge 23 by 12 primary bath. And to top it all off, there's a nice deck in the rear, which is going to be a great place for you to barbecue and to spend a lot of time with the family enjoying some time together and that barbecue as well. So that's 2 of the homes here. Let's go ahead. I'm going to show you another home here in the Anna Marie Estates neighborhood. All right, so one of the things I always love to do in our videos is kind of, if you're not familiar with the area, to kind of let you know where this neighborhood is in location to some of the towns around it. But before I do that, as you can see behind me here, like I said, this neighborhood is growing. There's another neighborhood just on the other side owned by the same builders, and the Thomasville neighborhood, and eventually these 2 neighborhoods are going to be filled out, but that's going to take quite a few years yet to do. So a little bit about this neighborhood. Where are we located? Well, we're on the northwest side of Waynesboro, which it's on the edge of town, and it really gives you that country feel in a neighborhood. But the nice thing about it is you're still conveniently located. You're only about 7 minutes to downtown Waynesboro, 10 to 12 minutes to Interstate 64 and the Waynesboro Town Center, where you're going to find your stores like Kohl's and Target and Books A Million, places like that. Additionally, you're about 20 minutes to downtown Staunton with all its quaint shops down there. And if you want to commute into Charlottesville and get more home for your money on this side of the mountain, you're about 40 minutes away from downtown Charlottesville as well. And one other thing that we often get asked is, how close are we to a hospital? Well, that's a great thing too. You're about 10-15 minutes away from the Augusta Health Medical Center here in Fishersville. So I'm going to take you on up the street here just a little bit, and I'm going to show you our last home in this neighborhood. All right, so we're here to look at the 3rd home here in the neighborhood that you see right behind me here. Some information about this home. It's currently listed for $449,900. Brand new, just built this year. It has 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths. Has 1,958 square feet of finished living space. You break that down, that's $230 a square foot for a brand new built house. It sits on a 0.15 acre. Now, as you look at that home, you see it's a little bit different style than some of the homes that we've already looked at and some of the homes that you've seen us driving by here in the neighborhood. Now, what's different? Well, this is a detached villa home here in the neighborhood, and maybe you're looking to downsize, or maybe you're looking to buy a first home in a really nice neighborhood. This is one of the homes that you could definitely consider in this neighborhood. Now, when you enter the home, there's a short walk down the hallway, and then you'll see a large great room with a kitchen and dining area, and the modern luxury vinyl plank flooring runs throughout the home and really ties the open concept look together very nicely. Now, many times in homes like these, you'll find a combined dining, kitchen, and a great room or living room area that just leaves space between the living room and the kitchen for a table. However, in this villa home, it has its own dedicated space for the dining room area, which is a really nice feature. Now, this is probably the coolest thing about the home. It has 2 primary suites. Your pick. You can enjoy the main level primary suite with its dual sinked bathroom, or if you prefer, the 2nd floor primary suite is there as well for you. And finally, there's also a nice small covered patio on the rear of the home as well. There really truly is a lot of options here for this home, this detached villa style home here in the Anna Marie Estates neighborhood. So that's 3 homes in the neighborhood, and I'm going to go here and I'm going to show you one final place in the neighborhood and wrap this video up. So what do you think? Pretty great neighborhood, huh? Yeah, it's one of my favorite neighborhoods here in the Waynesboro area as well. And I mean, it has the mountain views like you see behind me, the walking trails, the ponds, the green spaces, and some really, really nice homes in this neighborhood as well. So maybe you're interested in a home here. There's currently 7 that are active on the market. Leslie and I'd be more than happy to help. Maybe you're interested in another home in another town here in our beautiful mountains and valleys or over in the Charlottesville area. We're so honored to have helped so many people in all of those areas, help them find a home where they can just not call it a house, but it's a home. We'd be happy to help you as well. All of our information is in the description below, so give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, and we'll make sure you find your home as well. So from here on this beautiful fall day here in Virginia's beautiful Shenandoah Valley, until next time, I'll see you around town.